many hardships, challenges, and obstacles along the way. But we never gave up, and we have achieved great success in the competition. Let's make today a day to remember. Let's make today the day that we show the world what we are made of. Remember, if I can do it, then so can you. Let's go out there and make history. Thank you, and give it your best shot.
Thank you again to last year's winner from Malaysia, Nazir Dinesh. Give him another round of applause. Thank you so much for those words of encouragement, trust, passion, and reminding you that take it one step forward by giving it your best, and remember that this is an opportunity to show your spirit. Now, to help us with this year's